Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis from this morning on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound, really all the dollar pairs have been a little bit on the slow side today. It is trying to make its way up. I am actually personally looking for shorts ever since we got a break of shorts to the downside. The only thing that's going to turn me back into a buyer is seeing price go up and break and hold above this structure right here. If it does break and hold above that structure, I'll definitely start looking for buys at the end of every pullback I see. But as of right now, I'm actually looking for shorts. I'm looking at this move up right here as possibly a crescent, and I'm definitely looking for 3 waves up. I'm looking for impulsive down to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. The daily time frame is definitely broken shorts to the downside right here, so I'm looking for shorts until I see proof otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.